because it says the word brings light. It enlightens their spirit. So they were in the darkness. I mean, and the Holy Spirit spared them. So now you are reviving them and you're
Amen.
bringing them to restoration, because now not only this, their body is in the hot tub being restored. And here you come and you're also reviving them with the word. Like, do you know Jesus? Well, we don't know. I mean, what walk do they have? But you just speaking to them, Julie, that is a revival. That is revival. That's restoring them.